How to get the subscribe button in Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get the subscribe button on your account in Snapchat. Now first, if you open the app, it'll look like this. You'll get an interface here. Head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can see on the top left of your screen. Now if you scroll down here, you'll find the option to create public profile. Now first, what you want to do is head over to settings by tapping on the settings icon that you can find on the top right of your screen, and if you scroll down below under privacy control, make sure this contact me is set to everyone and the send notifications and view my story. Now once this tree is turned on, and then go ahead to your profile and here tap on create public profile. Now you can see show your name and bind your public profile. Now get started and tap on create. Now your public profile might not be created if you are under 18, so you might want to change your date of birth if it's like that. Now once you do this, if you head over and go to preview profile, you can see that you'll get an option to subscribe. Now this way you can get subscribe button in Snapchat. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.